So it's the year 2025 and we've seen a lot of dash cameras being launched in this year, and more specifically, like, more brands are now focusing on giving you a better resolution, a better sensor. I mean, you know, the bells and whistles. But there is one camera which, along with giving you good resolution and a very good sensor, has also focused on a very novel feature. And I'm talking about the 360-degree rotatable design. So this is a very unique and one of the most innovative features you might see in dashcam, and there's only one brand, there's only one camera that currently offers that. And I'm talking about the 70mm Omni 4K X800. And you might be surprised to know that the video which is currently being shot is being shot on that particular camera. So basically, I'm getting a 4K backed Starvis 2 sensor based video from my cabin. There is no other interior or the cabin camera which can match to it. So let's just see how well this camera works and how this can work in your favor. Camera reset. So as soon as I do give the voice command, the camera can just focus back to the front to the regular video recording. And if I want the camera to shoot the right side of the car, just go out and say capture right. The camera automatically pans towards the right. And what's most important about this is that this can cover the driver side window, so any interaction happening through this window, either when you're at a checkpost, when a policeman comes up and speaks to you, or if it is somebody else, it's very important that you are able to record that interaction, what goes on through this window. And if you just want to record towards the passenger side window, just give the voice command capture left. So the camera slowly pans towards the left, now covering practically the left portion of the car, most importantly the left side passenger window. So this too is a crucial area which, like, most dash cams might miss. But let's just say somebody does come up on the passenger side, you will be able to record it using the 70mm Omni. Capture inside. So this 360-degree rotatable feature of the camera is just not applicable when you're driving. This is also applicable when your car is parked. Yes, that's a super cool and a very awesome thing. Because if you have installed this camera using a hardwire kit, the camera can rotate pan 360 degrees following the motion of any person that might approach your car. So this is based on a feature called as AI motion detection, and the camera automatically detects anybody who is approaching the car, who is standing near the car, and follows their motion around the car even if they do move all around the car. Now, traditional cameras, the standard windshield mounted cameras, cannot do that. They are only focused on one part of the car, and if the person moves out of the range, you're not able to record or see the activity that they've been doing around your car. But that's not the case with the 70mm Omni 4K. It can pan around, track the motion, and keep the person in focus of the video recording. This is also a very underrated but an extremely important feature in terms of parking monitoring. So if you're someone who is looking specifically to monitor your car when it is parked, and you feel the area where you park your car is quite unsafe, or maybe somebody is damaging your car due to any particular reason, the 70mm Omni 4K, if installed, can capture and record those videos and can serve as a very important piece of evidence, crucial evidence for you to take action in the future. Now, along with the fact that this camera can focus at any one particular side of the car, either the front or the cabin or the right or the left, this camera can shoot a single panning shot covering the entire 360 degrees of the car. Let's just try and shoot that video. Let's say shoot vlog. So the camera automatically now turned left and will be slowly panning towards the front, right, and then coming towards the cabin. And as soon as it does towards the cabin, you can say hi and just be involved in the video, and if somebody else is sitting in the car, they too can be covered within that video. Also guys, just in case if you want the camera to take a photograph of the people in the car, or if you want to just take a selfie, a group selfie of your family or your friends, just give the voice command take selfie. So the camera gives you a 3-second timer, and after that it clicks a snapshot of the cabin when you give it that particular voice command. So taking a look at all these features, considering all these very novel and innovative features implemented in the 70mm Omni 4K, I really do consider this camera to be one of the finest and one of the most practical cameras that are available in the market. So currently it is trending at a price of about 35,000 rupees, which also includes a 128GB memory card right in the box. So for some, this might seem a bit pricey camera, and I totally agree with you. It might seem a bit pricey at first, but the kind of features this camera offers, and at a certain point of time after you install the camera, the kind of evidence this might give to you, either in terms of parking, monitoring, recording, or just in normal regular video recording, you will feel that you invested the right amount of money for this camera, and you will feel that you invested a worthy amount for this camera. That being said, if you are interested in getting this camera for yourself, don't waste your time. Just click down on the description, click on the link, go ahead and buy it for yourself before somebody else does. And if you do have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're impressed with this video and if you want to support my work, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who deserve to have the Omni 4K in their car. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.